Welcome to the module about Google Business Profiles. Today we are going to be creating a Google Business Profile if you don't already have one. So as you can see, I've typed in here to Google Business Profile, and it's going to say get listed on Google. So essentially what we're doing is we are making one of these nice little graphics so that people can find us when they look for us. Look how pretty that looks. They've got some reviews. So a lot of people are using Google as a search engine these days. So when you're in an area and you're looking for a business, Google is a place that people look for businesses. So in this module, we are going to create a business if you don't already have one. I already do, but I do know how to create one if you are creating a new one. So in Google Maps, we are going to go to Google Maps, and you are going to add your business. This is where we start adding details about our business. So for the moment, Image Optimist, business category. I settled on marketing consultant because I think that's kind of what I'm doing here. Do you want to add a location? No. So you basically go through these steps. Where do you serve your customers? For the moment, we're going to say Vancouver. I wouldn't get too fancy about this. Some people try to put lots of different locations. Don't do that. Just pick the actual location that you are for the moment. Something else I wanted to quickly say, which I didn't say, is these are the things to have ready before you create your profile or before you update it. So maybe just pause the video and get these things assembled. So some photos of yourself, a description of your business, which you can copy and paste from your website, as well as your social media links. Okay, next. What contact details? So then basically you just fill all of this out. Website, imageoptimist.com. Follow these steps to add all of your business details. I did fill in my address and I clicked verify and it says I'm verified. If you run into problems verifying, then reach out because there are a variety of reasons why you might not be verified. One reason, pardon me, one reason is if Google can't verify that you actually have some tie to that location, it won't allow you to just put a random location that does not exist. So now add your services. I don't do telemarketing. Photography. Do I want to add that service? SEO specialist. Is that a service? All right, let's say I'm open Wednesdays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Let's say I'm open from, actually, no, I only want to work in the afternoons. No one says that you need to have conventional office hours. 2 to 6, 2 to 6. And I'm doing these particular hours because I like to go to the gym in the morning. And you can change it at any time. Do I want to accept messages? Sure. Although, yeah, people do sometimes contact me from Google. Why not? So here's where we get into the Google, the business description part. So what I'm going to do is, I've got my Image Optimist website here. I am going to copy and paste a business description into this box. So this is very, very generic. This is for the purpose of this course. You will see that there are 750 characters. So for example, if we used my existing photography site, then I could go, I'm a professional photographer. Like you could copy and paste all of your details that you have about your business. Remember, I recommended having that available. So just do that now. You can update this at any time. And we will be going over this in the update module if you already have a Google Business Profile. This is just for new businesses. Here is where you would add photos, and just go ahead now and start either dragging or selecting photos to add to your business. Now I have a bunch of photos that I like. It's basically me looking smart with a computer, smart and eager. So we're going to add this one. There I am. I'm just going to leave it at that for now. I don't want to do any advertising. I also don't want to do Google Workspace for now, but it is something I'm thinking about. Your edits will be visible once you're verified. Okay, so here I am. I am already there. And so it looks like I've created a business on Google. We can delete this later, but that's how you do it. My photo will be added once it's verified.